Bon dia, Josep Bautista here, and welcome to another vlog. As I promised in previous videos, today I'm gonna show you my whole new setup, and here it is. I have two monitors. The old one is a 27 inches, and that's my B monitor to work, and the Samsung LU 28 inches, and it's 4K. But the important new item in my setup is the Mac Mini. Let me show you. Mac Mini. And seriously, I needed a new setup because my poor MacBook Air from 2015 couldn't handle the work I was doing anymore. Like every time I tried to open Photoshop and Lightroom, the workflow was just so bad. I could just go have a cup of coffee. Also, editing on Premiere was getting so annoying. And I don't know if you have noticed, the whole video is going to be in 4K. So now I just finished recording another photography video. So I had my setup here, camera, some lights, but I just noticed that now I can start recording in 4K because I have the gear to edit 4K now. And now it's already noon and I'm starving, so let's try this whole new 4K shooting by cooking. How it looks cooking in 4K. I'm amazed. It's just so smooth working with the Premiere now. Now that I have the new Mac Mini M1, I've been using it for a month, and the workflow with Photoshop and Lightroom, it's so smooth, so fast. I'm really just happy that I made that change. And working now in Premiere, I mean, I forgot even to turn down the resolution, and I'm not even using proxies, so it's just so much better now. And exporting videos, it's also like super fast now. I don't need to worry for exporting a 20-minute video and being like 3 hours exporting, and then it crashes and I have to start all over again. So that's a huge change. And another huge change is that tomorrow I start a new project finally here in Barcelona. So for the next 9 months or so, probably I will be super busy, but don't worry, I will try to stay here with all of you. So see you in the next one. Fins aviat!